Ebele, I like you. A lot. I like you so much. Please, give me a chance now. Please, look at me. See the way I'm shaking around you. Just give me a chance. I promise to show you how much I feel. I promise to show you love, please.
And I've told you time and time again, Akpan, I am not interested in whatever it is you want to show me. Please leave me alone.
Abele, please. I came all the way now to see you, please. Abele, look, I have never felt this way before. I'm telling you from my heart, I have never felt this way before. I don't know why I'm feeling this way. You have occupied my entire thought process. I cannot even go a day without wanting to hear from you or see you. I'm constantly thinking of you. Sometimes I can't even eat because you're not giving me attention. I know how uncomfortable this is for you. I've also tried on my own part to see if I can stop feeling this way, but it's not working. I guess this is one of those feelings that you cannot get rid of, and that is how you also know that it is real. Please, I'm giving you my word today that if you just give me a chance, I promise to be your peace. I promise to be your strength. I promise to show you love like you have never experienced before. I'll make you happy.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.